Hello, each and everybody. It's the beginning of the Nerf gun fight. Heavy. First look at the Nerf guns. Yeah. Wow, it's a rough cut gun and another one, a Nerf pistol. So we are gonna represent you to the two Nerf gun fighters. One from Mymensingh, Dhaka, Bangladesh, is Rashid Khan. It's Rashid Khan and his partner, who is not too small but too big, but a miser wildcat, is Swami
Jackson Star!
is Jackson Star Jelly from Canada. So, hey, opponents and challengers, come on, take your guns and go to your places. Come on, go. So it's gonna be the beginning of the Nerf gun fight. Wait, Rashid, wait. I did not yet say start. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go start! Oh, 1 point to Soybean. 5-point game, and Rashid is losing. Oh! Nice bit of work by Soybean. Rashid is out of gun, and as well as Soybean. I can see many guns in the floor. Rashid hiding. Oh, Rashid. Oh, what a strike by Rashid. 1 point to Rashid and 1 point to Soybean. Wow. What a Nerf gun fight going on. It's an 8-minute fight for the 5-point champion. Who's gonna be the champion? We'll have to wait and see. Come on, little kid. Come on, Rashid from Mymensingh. Oh, Swami trying to counter that. Swami's on counter that. Rashid on, Rashid on. Oh, yes. The fight is on and brought to you by live. Oh, another point to Soybean. Rashid got strike on his chest. Oh, nice click by. Yes, 3 points Soybean and 2 points Rashid. That was a smack. That went like a tracer bullet. Oh, Rashid, yes. What a strike. 4 points to Rashid and 3 points to Jackson Star Jelly, who's commonly known as Soybean from Canada. Oh, Bangladesh is going up. That was a magnificent shot. Counter-attack going on. Counter-attack going on. Soybean on the sofa. Soybean going. Rashid. Oh, Rashid comes in. What a ball! Rashid 5 points and Soybean 4. What a match! It's just going on. And more 2 points left. More 2 points left. I'm extremely sorry. By umpire decision, it's 5 points to 4, not 5 to 3. Soybean was claiming. Oh, Rashid. Oh, what a strike. Oh, it missed. It missed Soybean. 5 points to 4. I'm also sorry that I said it was a 5-point game, but it's a 10-point game. 5 to 4. Rashid 5, Soybean 4. And Rashid, he got hit. So 5 to 5. Rashid going on, and Soybean is not neither place. Oh, yo! Oh, Rashid trying his best. Oh, Rashid from Bangladesh, a new commentator for Bangladesh. He's a compact man with a big body and busty guy. He wears his shirts. He does not let his country go down. Oh, what a shot! It just missed. No, it did not miss. It just hit him.
Yo.
So 6 points to Rashid and 4 points to Saibit, and it's the halftime. Halftime going on. So stop. Halftime going on. Keep your guns on the table. Keep your guns on the table. Keep your guns on the table. Competitors, keep your guns on the table. Keep your guns on the table. We're going to halftime.